Welcome back everybody, it's Raj and we are going to look at creating an event inside Gigonomix. Go to your dashboard, click the red offline button. From here, start a new event, select yes. Now, setting up your live session, you're going to enter the name of the venue or the event that you are playing. You can also select from recent venues. If you've had more than 4, they will appear below. Now pick 4 pre-selection amounts for people to tip or support you. Enter a goal amount of how much you would like to make in that night, and then select tip or support, which is just phrasing for what you prefer people call the money they give you. Some people prefer tips, some people prefer support. Enter your custom call to action, like a favorite song, or a song request if you're a DJ, or if you're a band, what was your favorite song of the set that you play, or your favorite song of all time from your band? What was the favorite book that you wrote? There's many things you can do with the call to action customization. Once you've chosen your own call to action that you would like displayed on your active event, you can select if you want to show a welcome message. A welcome message basically encourages people to support you and tells the audience a little bit more about why they should be giving you money. In this case, we're acting as a band, so we'll put thanks for your support. Anything over $5 will receive a digital download. So this right here is going to encourage people to give us money. Anything over a certain threshold, they're going to get a cool bonus from us as the band. Select your background theme. We have 6 to choose from as of now. And then when you're ready, click Go Active. Once you go active, this is your event dashboard. From here, you're going to see in real time if you're getting code scans or if you're getting any kind of incoming tip support. So here you're going to see that we've got a code scan, which means somebody scanned our QR code in the venue. This lets you know that the code is working and people are paying attention to the signage that you've put out. And there we have it. We have an estimation of $5 that came in from an incoming supporter. From here, you can actually click on the message to see the details. And then you can also thumbs up and thumbs down the message. If you thumbs up it, it adds to the acknowledged percentage. 100% acknowledged just means that you've basically got good messaging from your fans and you're happy with what came in. A thumbs down would be something that you didn't like or something that you couldn't provide. After you're done with your event, check out your stats. You can go by quarter and by past event and even export all records so that way you can use your customer data in other ways that you want, like putting them in your email program or following up with these people after the show. This is also a good chance for you to revisit what your calls to action were and what your messaging was to your fans, just in case you wanted to see what's working and what's not. Looking at the historical data from venues you've played and different calls to action that you've used help you create more money from your gigs and also help you select which gigs to play over time because you know that one venue usually gets you more money than the other. There's many use cases for seeing your stats, and that's just some of the power of Gigonomix.